Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Today we have a trade breakdown on XAU USD. So let's get started, right? So the past week and two, gold has been dropping mad, which made sense because we tagged into the H4 supply. So it totally made sense. After obviously we had the 1 hour chalk flip, for every push we had, we were looking for sells. Now we did come into this unmitigated extreme POI after taking all of this liquidity, right? So we've seen all of this liquidity, and obviously you have liquidity forming along the way as well here, which got swept as well, you know, the trend line break and whatnot. So we've seen beautiful price action play out for us. We've seen that, okay, gold was faking the buyers to the upside, as well as we had a nice trade towards this high as well. This high got taken, mitigated into a 50-minute demand, which we called out, supply, my bad. Then we dropped off beautifully, right? That's 350 pips. And for the people that don't believe me, because I'm sure there will be some people that don't believe me, I will show you guys. So we go to daily analysis, where I post my daily, my bad, this is the wrong server, where I post my daily analysis, right? This is also before we long EU as well. But if we go, yeah, we can see exactly, this is the area we were looking at, 2336. Right, what do we see here? Favoring sales on EU and gold, and then obviously I didn't say favoring sales on gold, but we've seen beautiful 2337.5. so it was actually very close, actually still in our demand, because our demand was 20 pips, so that is still valid. And then we had that beautiful drop. Okay, so now we came into this 1 hour 50-minute refined POI, taking all of this liquidity. We did tag into this on Wednesday, right? We did tag, but we were just consolidating. But I was still confident after we saw that 5-minute break of structure that we were gonna go higher, right? So once we saw this 5-minute break of structure, what I sent to the team is, you can exactly see what I sent to the team. Let's check it out. Gold, we can mitigate a bit deeper, but I'm expecting upside should we lose demand, which is this one, 2278, right? Obviously that did not happen. I don't know what the fuck is calling me, but obviously that did not happen. We had a beautiful push to the upside, as we can see. So what could we see? First of all, we had a 5-minute break of structure right here. Then we had that beautiful retest. We had that liquidity built up being here, right? We had the liquidity being built up. After we swept all of that liquidity on market open, I executed, right? This was market open. Yes, this was around 3:30 a.m. Dubai time. So I executed right here. I put my stop below this low because I was going to sleep, so I was just swing trading this. When I woke up, I was still floating at break even, so I just went back to sleep because I didn't have anything to do. Also took an EU trade, which I will show. Now after that, we beautifully went to the upside. I woke up actually at TP, but it wicked it, so it didn't go to TP. Then it retraced a bit, and then I went to full TP because my first TP was here. But then I was like, wait a minute. If we are going here, right, and we have just mitigated this demand, what's us not taking these highs, right? And then on the 1 minute, I'm going to show you, once we saw this wick, on this wick exactly, I closed. So that was my exit, right? That was my exit. It was a beautiful exit. I think it was around 0.4, right? So that is a beautiful 1 to 6. Okay, this trade was a beautiful 1 to 6, called out as well to the team, told them I'm in buys. And if you go to the profit tab, you can also see that everyone ate today. Beautiful. Everyone kind of took the same trade. It was very, very beautiful. Look, gold. It was very, very nice, right? Even this guy, look, this guy as well. Everyone took the same buy. It was perfect, right? Now I'm going to show you my own profit as well, because I was minus 4.5% on this account. And with this trade, I beautifully pulled back. I had some scale-ins, which I will show you guys now as well. Let me just take out the entries, so I know exactly where I scaled in and scaled out. So I think, let me go. The group is pretty active. My bad, guys. The group is pretty active. So as we can see here, oh no, that's not me. That's someone else. Some retard, I guess. But actually, we have to go one back. So yeah, obviously here, even when we didn't hit TP, I was like very confident that we were going to TP, right? Now let's get back to the screenshot. So we can see here, okay, obviously 22.98 perfect entry, and 23.14 and 23.15.5. Okay, now let me show you guys the scalings. Once we go to the M1, yeah, let me go all the way back. We can see, okay, flex, why did you scale in? Let me remove all this first. So 23.14.5 was my first scale in, which was right here. 23.14.5. I scaled in right here and I put my stops below this low. I saw this 1 minute continuation play, very beautiful, right? 17.5 was a TP, so it wasn't the best RR, but since it is a scale in, the risk to reward does not matter because we already have a trade running, right? So this was scale in, and then the second entry was actually around here, which is I think a 1-to-1, which is not that bad neither. So both of these trades, the second trade was actually on the chalk flip of the 1 minute continuation. We could have played this way more higher, but that's fine. We are not aiming for the best, we are just aiming for nice profits, which we did get. God bless us. Now let's look at EU, because we also had some EU buys. As we can see, I TP'd out at this high right here. So let me show you guys. I also had this, no, I didn't have a scale on EU, but same idea on EU. We told, like with the team, we told, okay, we have to go higher now. So what I simply did was, this is also, I just executed around here, stopped this low, kind of small swing, 2.3R, very beautiful trade. I was just swinging this. Once we did mitigate this and we went break of structure, I went to break even, and boom, we went to the upside. Very beautiful with news, very clean trade. It's just very simple, as I've given with the daily analysis. Now if you want the full analysis of this, you should join the Discord. Obviously we now have a monthly and annual and whatnot. So yeah, it's very nice that we took these trades. Very good Thursday. Now if you guys didn't know, we are doing a very good month. Obviously I have the screenshot here. We're at 72k this month. I think we're gonna finish the month here, so that is a very good month. Now we're also gonna focus on making the new course. So if you guys want to learn from someone who is legit, then I think there's no other place to go. Obviously there are more legit people, I'm not saying they're not, but yeah. So if you guys want to join, all you have to do is go to the link in the description to catch these beautiful trades with me. Like, even if you just take trades based on my daily analysis, which I will just show you guys right now, every daily analysis kind of like works, right? Even here, boom, you have 15 pips. Even here, gold sells. If you would have taken these gold sells, 200 pips. You here, like, we catch everything, right? Daily analysis, like every day you will get the analysis from me with zones I'm looking at, and then boom, top call, GU and EU died as expected. Low might be reversal point, which it was. This actually was a reversal point. Expecting a slow Friday, you know, EU gold, gold melting to demand. So yeah, we're active pretty much every day now. So yeah, like if you just want my analysis and take trades of that, you could as well, because these analysis banks. But anyway, that was it for the breakdown. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something new. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.